Alrighty, Chase. Oh, we're filming. You're filming. Hey guys, welcome to HillBro RC, and today we're actually in the local park by the Snake River with Chase Ashton and Kirk from Rebel Mini Quads. We're always making the effort to try and add some more muchierness. Just to add a little bit more to our video quality. And one of our things we're attempting and doing is mini quads with GoPros. This is actually our first time flying these types of aircrafts. You know, we've done the flying DJI cameras, but this stuff, we've done simulators, but never in real life. So let's go see if we can't break something this time.
I give it 2 minutes. 2 minutes before it falls. It breaks.
If you can go 2 minutes the first try.
It's a different feeling, really.
Slow. Try to keep yourself below like 15 feet.
Yeah, you did. Oh, I'm on F4. Why? I'm not crying. My eyes are actually extremely sensitive to cold air.
Beautiful
I'm
moment.
so excited. So, I'm probably not seeing the same things you are, am I?
I'm not even in my goggles.
Oh, you're not? Okay.
Stand next to you in case you're really messed up.
Alright, so we want to fly without goggles for a second?
Maybe? Are you used to flying acro line of sight?
Kind of.
Seems like you got it.
You want to disarm it right above the ground or after it lands?
I usually do it like right as I'm getting there. I guess that simming works. It's pretty good actually, bro.
I'm like confused. Are you lying to us about your flight time?
Well, I mean, he's been simming for like how long have you flown?
Honestly, I haven't touched the sim for about 2 weeks now.
But I mean,
I probably have a total of...
you probably had that radio for like a year or something, right?
I did, but I never used your radio.
Pack 2, bro. See how many of these you can get through, because I brought quite a few.
Check out that thing. This is the Rebel graffiti platform, and Chase has done a really good job on the color combinations. That thing is a solid unit. Look at that.
Look at all this nested carbon here. All of the flush countersunk screws. It's the graffiti because it's got that style, you know what I mean? It's tight.
All right, you remember, Caden? You know your fingers get cold fast, right?
Yeah.
Good.
So what, should we put this way out here for him? Way out.
Caden's first flight with the FPV drone. Oh, he doesn't have his goggles down though.
You got that bird though, you should have chased that bird.
First attempt, Caden with the goggles on.
Is there anybody around the entirety of that? I was pretty sure they were each gonna get like a battery before breaking this thing.
I'm pretty stoked actually for you guys.
Two for me. 2 packs. Juice packs, by the way. Check this out. High C brings me back to the 90s. I used to suck these things every day.
If you do it now, it's shocking.
Well, we just finished up our first time flying FPV mini drones with Rebel Crew.
Nothing broken.
Not even a prop. Whoop, whoop.
That's not normal. That's it's a first, actually.
You hear that, guys? A first. My track record, though, I'm really good the first time I do things, and then the second, third, fourth, fifth is always a bad situation. So hopefully next time is good, and third, fourth, fifth times are good too. But Caden did really well as well.
Sure did.
Thank you, Rebel Mini Quad.